Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Derila pillow, an ergonomic memory foam wonder that claims to fix your neck, your spine, and probably your entire life while you sleep. It promises to align your skeleton and improve sleep quality for every position imaginable, whether you sleep on your back, side, or like a stranded starfish. It sounds promising, but then again, so does a free vacation. Let's see if this thing actually lives up to the marketing hype, or if it's just another overpriced block of foam. The Derila is designed to give your neck and shoulders the support they desperately need, using an ergonomic shape to keep your spine from resembling a question mark. Apparently, the company spent 2 whole years on research and testing, because clearly, perfecting a place to put your head is peak rocket science. It's built to adapt to your constant tossing and turning, aiming to make you wake up feeling refreshed instead of like you've been tackled by a linebacker. The goal here is a mix of comfort and wellness, which is marketing speak for "please buy our pillow." Now let's talk about that memory foam. It's designed to mold perfectly to your head and neck, easing pressure points and supposedly improving your blood circulation. It's that magical balance of soft yet supportive that claims to reduce snoring and shoulder tension. It's all about that restorative sleep, so you can wake up energized or at least capable of functioning without 4 shots of espresso. They even provide a direct phone number for customer support, which is a nice touch for those who prefer complaining to a human rather than shouting into an email void. Here's where things get a bit spicy. If you check their website, the reviews are so perfect they're practically glowing, which is usually a great sign to start running in the opposite direction. We took a trip to the honest corners of Reddit and found the real story. Customers reported a total comedy of errors, including duplicate charges, website glitches, and customer service that moves at the speed of a tectonic plate. Some people even received random digital gifts instead of actual help because nothing says, "Sorry, we messed up your order," like a PDF you never wanted. So what's the final takeaway? The Derila pillow itself seems like a solid, well-designed piece of foam that might actually help your neck. However, the company's ordering process appears to be held together by duct tape and wishful thinking. If you're brave enough to run the gauntlet and order one, just make sure to double-check your bank statement before you drift off into that perfectly aligned slumber. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that actually tell it like it is.